Hello viewers, are you experiencing GPay your device may not be secure error problem? In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem. So let's see the step. First of all, go to settings option and then click on search settings. Now search developer option. Go to developer option and turn off your phone developer option. After turn off developer option, now go to Play Store. Click on profile icon. Scroll down. Go to Play Protect option. Now scan your device. After completing scan process, if you found any harmful apps, then delete those apps. There are no harmful apps on my device. After completing this process, keep updated your GPay apps and then restart your device. Press and hold on power button and then restart your device. After restart your device, hopefully your problem will be solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, then follow next step. Just go to settings again, click on search settings and then search device admin. Go to device admin option and then deactivate your device admin option. Deactivate this option. Hopefully this method will fix GPay your device may not be secure error problem.